Phishing techniques is most beautiful technique that we already know. So let me try to explain you one phishing technique over here. So let me go to my Kali Linux. So here I have let me clear this out, and I have already downloaded a lot of phishing tools. In fact, I have cloned a lot of phishing tools from GitHub. We will be teaching you in the class how to cloning and stuff like that. So one of the tools that I have cloned is called NextPhisher. So I'm just going to execute the NextPhisher tool over here. I just wanted to, make sure that I wanted to break into the Facebook systems. So I need the Facebook login page, and I need to wait until it provides me a small link, right? So nglog-based link. Once if the link is provided, I can send the link to my friend over the WhatsApp. When he clicks, I will be able to get some username, password of him. But in this laboratory, in this lab session, I'm just going to open this link in my my browser itself in the Kali Linux, right? Just to show you what is going to happen behind the scenes. Have a look at this one, since it is waiting for someone to log in and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close all these nonsense, right? I'm just going to close these things, and I'm going to open this particular link over here. Right? You can see now it has opened up the Facebook link for you. It's asking me a username and the password. So let me give my name as a username. Let me give TURM Turnkey as a password. Let me click verify. Watch out for this URL. You can see quickly it is getting translated to the original URL. So user behind the scenes, that he will be thinking that he has provided the wrong information, so he will be providing the correct information later on. So, but what will happen? That is okay. When you provide your correct information, it will take you back to the Facebook. That's okay. But what happened in the terminal? You can see here, he has captured the username and the password that you have actually provided. You can see it didn't want anything from me. It didn't ask me for allow, blah blah blah. Straight away, a beautiful technique to bypass and get these credentials now. There is a lot more tools available like this. I'm going to click Control C, and there is one more tool which I like about, which is called eTool. I think it is eTool. There you go. So this tool is really good. So it's a bash-based tool. You can see it is ending with SH. So this tool is very much helpful if you are looking to hack into some cameras or microphones and stuff like that. So there are a lot of different interesting stuff that we will be doing, including some WhatsApp breaks, right? So we will definitely do such kind of a stuff over here. So that is how that we are. This phishing techniques is actually not available with your CEH syllabus, but we have included in order to make the class a little bit interesting. In the next section that we will be learning web application penetration testing. This is really an ocean, but here that we are going to look at only three masterpieces of web app penetration testing. So one would be SQL injection, that we will be learning SQL map, JSQL, and general queries regarding that. We will be learning cross-scripting, then file upload vulnerabilities. Those are going to be the next two.